In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to photos in Canva. We'll walk through two simple options, a text watermark and a logo watermark. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional overlay that protects your images without distracting from them. Start by opening Canva. From the home page, open a template that suits your photo's orientation and size. With the design open, add text. You can do this from the text option on the left. Type your brand name, website, or any identifier you want to use as your watermark. Keep it short and consistent to build recognition. Rotate the text slightly using the circular handle, aiming for a subtle diagonal. This angle makes it harder to remove and adds a polished look. Reposition the text across a key area of the photo, then resize it so it's visible but not overpowering. Next, lower the transparency to a low value using the opacity control in the upper right. The goal is legible yet unobtrusive. Think light gray rather than solid black. Now duplicate the watermark and place several copies around the image. You can use copy and paste or the duplicate button in the toolbar. Arrange them in a loose grid or staggered pattern and keep spacing consistent so it looks intentional. Continue duplicating until most of the image is covered. This approach discourages unauthorized reuse while keeping your content front and center. If you prefer a logo watermark, click Uploads on the left and insert your brand logo. With the logo selected, click Edit in the top toolbar. Choose Duotone from the effects and open Custom. Set it to black and white so your logo reads cleanly on any background. Then lower the transparency to a soft level, just like you did with the text. Resize the logo so it complements your image and reposition it. Duplicate the logo and paste copies to fill the photo in a consistent pattern. Reposition all the watermarks until they feel balanced. You can alternate angles slightly or align them neatly, depending on your style. Finally, adjust. This is your time to fine-tune transparency, spacing, rotation, and size, so your watermark is present, readable, and still respectful of the image. That's it. Whether you use text or a logo, you now have a